Let's save or delete your Roblox character. Now open up the Roblox app if you're on iPhone, Android, or computer, and let's just go to your avatar. Let's say I love this avatar and I wanted to save it so that I can always just customize a different one or go back to this one. I can do that just by tapping on customize here, and I'm going to go to characters. Now I don't have any characters that are currently saved, but I can hit the save as new. And I'm just going to name this Trevor and hit save. Now there is my saved character. If I create a different one, I can always go back to this other one that I have saved. However, let's say you wanted to delete this one. All you need to do is tap to manage your characters. You'll be able to see all of them here. I can tap the select button and then just choose to delete these characters. It says delete this character. It will no longer be available in the collection. After you've gone through the process of deleting it, keep in mind your avatar, if it's set to that character, won't change. You just won't be able to automatically go back and switch to it if you change it down the road.